It's important for leaders to know their strengths and weaknesses in order to be most effective. I just completed my Strength Finders assessment and passed with flying colors. My top 5 strengths are woo, command, empathy, strategic, and ideation. Of course, I have 100 more strengths I could highlight, but this is a good start. Let me show you how I apply these strengths daily to be an outstanding and motivational leader to my team.
Boss, I am having a problem getting my meeting count up. I can't seem to persuade prospects to meet with me. Do you have any suggestions?
Now listen to me. I command you to get more meetings.
Yes, I know, but how do I accomplish that?
How do you accomplish it? Well, just lead the way. Take charge. Get those numbers up.
Could you be more specific?
In the words of my favorite brand, just do it. Now get on the phones and make me proud.
Boss, I wanted to let you know that the campaign for the toy shop is doing great and they agreed to renew the campaign for $2,000.
Wait a minute. Not so fast. Let's take a more strategic view on this decision. Simply because they only have 3 locations and the marketing budget of less than $10,000, it doesn't mean that we make hasty tactical decisions. Did you do an account plan for them?
No, you said they were too small to spend time on completing an account plan.
Now don't blame your mistake on me. I think we need to take this to the pricing committee and get a strategic pricing structure for this account.
Isn't this a lot of fuss over a $2,000 renewal?
You know what your problem is? You think too small. When you become a leader, you will learn how to strategize on a larger scale. Now, what time is it in Europe?
I am not sure. It is probably 1 or 2 in the morning. Why?
Why? Well, great strategists like me need to collaborate with other great strategists, like Callie. Callie's our president. He's on vacation this week in Europe, but, well, I'm going to call him now and develop our strategic plan for this account. Now go make some more phone calls while I get this done.
Bob's, the client just called me and said our proposal meeting tomorrow will be moved from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. due to a scheduling conflict.
Jack, I'm really sorry to hear this bad news. How does this make you feel?
It's okay. They only delayed it an hour.
Yes, you put on a brave face, but I can tell it's eating you up inside. You are upset that they may not like you. Perhaps they think you are insecure and try too hard to win their approval. Have you always had this inferiority complex?
I am not upset. I believe that they do like me.
I'm sure you believe that story, but it isn't true. How do you feel about getting rejected? Tell me about your childhood. Did you have a pet growing up? Did it die? Did it get run over by a car and smashed? I think my strength as a leader is my ability to use my strength as a leader. Don't you agree?